Hello again, it's nice to see that you've returned. For more art adventures, we're gonna have fun and do some art with culture too, 'cause every day is special. Hey there, amazing K5 to grade 2s up there at OPK. It is me, Lance Cardinal, once again joining you for some art adventures. I'm always so excited to be here, and of course today is no exception. I'm so glad to see your smiling faces, and I'm so proud to be in your good graces. Yes, as always, I'm so proud to be from your area of the Treaty 8 Bigstone Cree Nation, and so happy that I'm from Wabascattu and all my family are up there, and every time we get together to have fun, it's like my favorite time of the day. All right, now, the first thing we always do when we see each other is what? Does anyone remember? That's right, we say hello in Cree, and as you all know, the way we say hello in Cree is Tanse. That's right, Tanse. And I know you all know how to say that, so on the count of 3, I want to hear you say it nice and loud. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Tanse! Oh, good job, you guys. I heard you, but not some of you. I want to hear you all try it again, nice and loud, so I can hear you all the way here in Edmonton. Are you ready? On the count of 3. Piak, Nisa, Nensta, Tanse! Wow, so much better, you guys. That is great. Now we got to make sure to keep on practicing our Cree. It's just as important as our English, and even more important because it's part of our culture and who we are, and we have to make sure to be proud of that, to hold on to it, and to practice. So if you have a cookum or a mom or a dad who speaks Cree, make sure and ask them to talk to you in Cree whenever you can to keep that language strong. And speaking of Cree, that brings us to today's Cree word of the day. But of course, I'm not going to tell you what it is right away. I'm going to give you a bit of a clue. So here it is. Are you ready? Ooh, check it out. What do you think of this, guys? Does anyone out there know what this is? Anyone? I can't hear you. A little bit louder, please. A Dreamcatcher? Yes, that's right. This is called a Dreamcatcher. Now, you might have seen different types of Dreamcatchers. This one is made from paper plate and some paper and some string. But we hang these things in our homes, at our windows, by our doors, to catch all the bad dreams from coming into our house. And all the bad energy gets caught in that web in the middle. And that's where we store our bad dreams. And sometimes our good dreams too. So when we hang a Dreamcatcher in our house, it protects us, it makes us have good dreams, and it makes us have very happy, positive energy in our home. So it's good to have that around. And we're going to keep this out and show it here so we can remember what today's Cree word is all about. But that is not necessarily the Cree word of the day. That's just a Dreamcatcher. Now the Cree word of the day is dreams. That's right, and we say dreams in Cree, Powatamowina. That's right, Powatamowina. Now we're going to say that all together on the count of 3. Are you ready? Try it with me, okay? 1, 2, 3. Powatamowina. Yes, I heard some of you out there try. That is amazing, and that means dreams in Cree. And of course, learning the Cree word is amazing. Now, if the word today is dreams, that's about dream catchers. I bet you figured out by now what today's Cree craft of the day is. That's right, we're going to be doing dream catchers as well. In fact, we're going to talk about our dreams, and we're going to draw our dreams on a piece of paper. Cool? Now I want to show you mine, first of all. Here's my drawing. You can see here I colored it nice and bright, the colors that I love. And in the middle here, I drew a picture of one of my favorite dreams. And that dream is Calling Lake. That's right, that's my hometown, Calling Lake, Alberta. That's where I'm from. A lot of my family live there. And I always have dreams about seeing the lake and the sunset and the trees and the shore. So here we have a picture of the sun setting on the lake with the trees and the water right in my Dreamcatcher, just like that. So what do you think? I'm going to leave this right out here for our for the day so we can have our samples. Put that right over there. Perfect! Perfect spot. Now, we're going to draw our Dreamcatcher together. So let's get our drawing board and get all our supplies together. All right, here we have our drawing board with our Dreamcatcher ready to go. Now, your teacher will already have these Dreamcatcher pictures for you ready to go. Now, teachers, if you haven't handed those out, do that right now. Hand them out to every student in the room. If you have, then let's keep going. So what we're going to do here is draw a picture of our very own dreams. That's right, we're going to think in our mind and remember a time long ago when we had a dream, or even last night that was a good dream, or something in our dreams that we remember so clearly. And we're going to draw a picture of it in our Dreamcatcher right here, and we're going to catch that dream and we're going to put it up on the wall for everyone to see. Isn't that cool? I love that as well. Today we're gonna draw a picture of our dreams, the thing that comes inside our head at night. What's your favorite dream? What do you see when you close your eyes at night? That's right, what do you see at nighttime when you have a dream? We're going to put that in our picture right there. So let's begin now. The first thing we're going to need, of course, is markers. But you can use markers, crayons, pencils, whatever you want. Finger paint, clippings from a magazine. It's totally up to you. But I'm going to bring out all of my markers just like that because I have so many to choose from. I want to make sure I have a lot of colors ready to go. All right, we're going to move our sample over just a little bit right to there so I have more room. Perfect. Now, first we're going to draw the picture. Now, what should I draw in my Dreamcatcher? Something I've dreamed about recently. I know. See if you can guess. Now, this dream is something bright, colorful, with lots of lights, and you only see it once a year. Anyone guess what that is so far? If you think it's a tree, you're right. But this is not just any kind of tree. It's a very special kind of tree. Let's see if you can guess. On top of this tree, you will always have a star. Just like that. Perfect. And that star goes on top of that tree. Any guesses what this might be? Yes, that's right. Some of you said it. It's a Christmas tree. Of course, we all love Christmas trees, and that's what I always dream about, is Christmas Day. So we're going to draw the Christmas tree, and then we're going to color it and make it look amazing. So here we go. Now the Christmas tree always has a garland, right? We'll draw some garland there. Perfect. And of course, we need ornaments. So we're going to draw some Christmas ornaments right now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, we have 10 Christmas ornaments. Let's count them again, but this time, let's count them in Cree. Here we go. Piak, Nisa, Ninsta, Niwa, Nianen, Katasik, Tipagup, Ainanu, Kigach Matatat, and Matatat. That's right, 10 beautiful ornaments on my tree. I just love it. So yes, Christmas time is my favorite time of year, and I always dream about the lights of the Christmas tree. So there's my dream. Now I'm going to color it in. First thing we need is some green to color the tree. Now, I bet a lot of you out there love going out to the bush to get your tree at Christmas time and cut it down with your mom or dad or uncle or Muslim or whoever it is who takes you out to the bush, and as a family pick the best tree out there that you want to bring home to your house and put it up and put all the decorations on. What a fun time, and some great ways to make memories with your family. Now, if you don't use a real tree from outside, I bet you probably have an artificial tree in your house as well. And those are just as good, because sometimes those artificial trees, which are fake trees, can have the lights already on them. So that's a bonus. Save you some time and effort when you're putting up your Christmas tree, and that's really, really important. All right, everyone, so we're painting our tree green with our marker, and there we go, perfect color. I love it. Now, next thing we're gonna do is color the star, and I think our star should be yellow, don't you? Let's put a yellow star right on top here, just like that. Perfect. I think a couple of the ornaments should be yellow as well, don't you? So I'm gonna make this one yellow, and we'll make that one yellow as well. Next color we're gonna use is some red. And I think we'll do red garland this time. Just like that. And like that. And like that. And I think some of the ornaments should be red too, right? So we'll do a red one here. And maybe a red one down here. Great. Next, let's do purple. Do some purple ornament here. Another purple ornament here. I think we need some blue in there, don't you? Let's see if we can get some blue. Ah, here we go, blue. Perfect. So one blue ornament there, and one blue ornament there. Now what else do we need? Oh, what about orange? Let's see if we have some orange. Yes, I do have orange. Let's do it next. Orange tree there. There we go. Our tree and the ornaments are all colored. I think it looks amazing. But you know what? When it's Christmas time and all the lights are off in the house except for the tree, it always glows in the room. So we're gonna draw some glow around our tree to make it look like it's shining, all right? So I'm gonna put these over here, and here we go. The glow of the Christmas tree. There's nothing better than that on Christmas Eve. Sit with your family, make sure there's cookies and milk out ready for Santa to grab, and enjoy a Christmas movie or a cartoon, and maybe even have some special treats and cookies that you can leave behind for Santa when you're done. And there we go. My Christmas tree is glowing so nicely, and I bet you have a great picture as well. Now, teachers, if you want to pause the video, now would be a great time to do that and let the kids finish their drawings. But I'm going to keep coloring mine, so if you want to keep the video on while I finish coloring, that's totally fine as well. All right, so my Dreamcatcher, I think I want it to be red. So I'm going to start with the ring around the edge. Here we go. And I'm going to make it all nice and red. There we go. And red is such a good color because, you know, it reminds me of Christmas as well. Red of Santa's suit, or the red of candy apples, maybe, or the red of the snowman's nose. Wait, isn't that a carrot? All right, there we go, big red circle, perfect. Now, I'm gonna color some of my feathers. I'm gonna do purple. Let's do a purple feather right here. Now, you don't have to be perfect with your coloring. You don't have to stay in the lines. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. It's your art. You draw it however you want. If you want to add some more feathers, you go ahead as well. It's up to you. I like it the way it is, so I'm going to leave it just like that. Maybe do a blue feather as well, over here. Perfect. I like the color blue, it's so much fun. It's the color of the sky and the water too. I love blue, it makes me feel so cool, because it's like the cold of winter too. That's right, I love blue, but you know what? When you color something blue, it always feels cold, right? Just like when you color something red or yellow, it feels warm. Yes, colors can definitely create feelings just like people can, right? Or words. Now let's do this one, a pink feather. I actually love the color pink. And you know what? I don't think pink necessarily has to be for girls or for boys. Pink can be for anyone. I think it's a very fun and exciting color, and I love it. And if you like pink, then don't be shy. Color something pink, even if you're a guy. All right, we're gonna add some more colors. I think we'll do yellow on my strings, just like that. So it looks nice and bright. Okay. Very nice. Looks like I missed a line on there, and we draw it in right about zoink there. Perfect. Now, what other colors are we missing in our drawing? Let's see. I think I want to do some more red marker circles. Yes, red. Here we go. Some beads are red here. These can be red, for sure. That one as well. And that one as well. Maybe that one too. Perfect. Oh, maybe that one too. Maybe that one too. Do it however you want. I'm gonna do some orange as well. Some orange beads. Just like that, and like that, and like that. Perfect. And I think I want to put some green in there. Right here. Love that. There we go. And don't forget, you don't have to follow anyone's color patterns. These are just my choices for my coloring book. I just absolutely love coloring, especially spending time with my nieces and nephews. And I'm sure my nephew Akio is in this class here. So hi Akio, I miss you so much and I love coloring with you at your house there in Wabasca whenever I come to visit. So I can't wait to do that again. All right, what else do we need? I think we're gonna do some pink beads. Another pink bead there, and oh my goodness, I think it's done. Let's put all of our markers away. And there it is. Oh my goodness, my picture of my dream. And my dream was a Christmas tree glowing in the night. And these are the colors I chose, and I'm so proud of it. And I'm sure your picture is just as good. And thank you so much, everyone at OPK. It's always so much fun to hang out with you guys, my K5s to grade 2s. You are so adorable, and I can't wait for next week to come back and do some more amazing art adventures with you. But until then, it's Lance Cardinal here. Goodbye, you guys. May the Creator watch over you as long as the sun shines, the grass grows, and the river flows. See you later, guys. All right, I'm going to put my name on my picture and then call it done. Lance. Lance. Perfect.